Okay, so this is kind of shaping up to be a bullish play in the same fashion that the Euro CAD was a bearish move. Big move down, no gap though, no real gap. There's a little gap right in here. I don't know, I can't see it on the daily or really on the 4 hour. It's kind of elusive here, but it bounced off of the 50, dropped like crazy. Down to 382, I believe this is. Let me go to the daily, look at this fib level. Yeah, so 382. Anyways, and we're coming from way back here. It might be time to draw a new fib, to be honest with you, because we shaped it up way back here in, it looks like May of last year. So it's been almost, God, that feels weird to say, almost a year ago. Um, anyways, so we dropped down, and this drop was extremely violent. Um, hmm, that's really interesting. I can even look at, if I were to look at this just from a fib perspective, I would draw, I'd measure this first leg before we had some consolidation there, and it would look something like this. Boom. So, okay. It looks like we're at an extended level. Um, Also coinciding with the 382 of a larger scale of a time from the past year. I wouldn't say that it's not relevant anymore, but I also wouldn't say that it's uh, it's the only factor that you want to look at. Because then again, it was a year ago. Um, yeah, really interesting. Saw it touch on the 144 or 1414, which is one of my personal favorite levels, and then we recouped quite a bit yesterday. So I would expect, since we got back to baseline, I'd be looking for us to move to 618 um, from a year ago from this measurement, which is a way different measurement here, but it's definitely relevant. It's just not as relevant as this one. And this is the 618 that was drawn just moments ago, as you saw. So somewhere in this zone, I'd probably take profit. Don't like the big bars, but we can be patient and look for a, uh, gosh, yeah, look for a decent entry. MACD is kind of going nuts right now. I did notice that. Where was it? If I can find it. I don't know what's happening. It doesn't want to act right. As soon as, oh boy, what did I just do? Oh boy. Nah, here we go. Okay, my bad. Yeah, this MACD right here. This is the one that really made me want to make a video right now. Was these one, these one. And look at the volume. The volume's pretty healthy right now. Um, yeah. So we got like a double bottom-ish formation here. We got MACD. I guess divergence. It's a little more bullish than price action showing us. So yeah, I think we're going to shift gears here and go up. I just don't know exactly when we're going to enter, and that's fine. I'm just going to be patient on this one as well. Hopefully we get in, lowers the better, obviously for our risk reward ratio, but also the likelihood that we get stopped out in this situation is lower if we're closer to these more extended fib levels. Um, yeah, so this is a 3% move. These are huge moves, man. Huge moves that make sense. So you got to ask yourself, will you risk 1% to take part in that type of movement? And the answer for me is yes. So there you are. Y'all pay attention to this. I'll probably advise you to set like an alert like down here somewhere. Um, just to kind of, yeah, something like that. For some reason, I feel a lot more comfortable setting a trap on this one right now and just leaving it than the first one. So, but I'm gonna look at this again. Yeah. Anyways, all right. Peace.